Guys, what's up? My name is Satyam and this is the PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to write any simple program and run this program on the PHP. Okay, let us start. Hmm, So, oh, okay, let us begin with the basic PHP syntax. And I hope you would know very well about the what is the basic HTML syntax, so that when I would try to write any program on the notepad plus plus, then you didn't face any problem. I hope you will have little bit idea about the HTML. So okay, let us start it. I'm going to tell you what is the basic syntax of PHP. So the basic syntax of PHP is the you have to first use a angular bracket, and after that you have to use question marks, and you have to write PHP. And and this, when it bracket would be started, then it's probably bracket should be closed, just like a what we do in HTML. It's same, it looks something like that in the PHP. So here we started angular bracket, and we here closed angular bracket, and when we use here a question marks, and again we have a question mark, we got when we have to start, then we have to finish it. Okay, and here to the here we have to write actual what would our code. So we have to write PHP code here. So whatever you want to write here, you can write anything, but you have to write your code between these angular brackets and nothings. Okay, one thing more I am going to tell you, about the echo words. Okay, so let us start it. Okay, echo, what would the echo word do? Can output one or more strings. It's mean that when you are going to tell you that my name is blah blah blah, so there is the collection of the one or more string. So just example, my name is Satyam. So when we combining these words and they form string, so we are using echo word, so that it can provide output very easily, very well. So we will do echo word. Okay, let us see a very quick example and simplest example of PHP, how it would work. So let us see it. I hope everyone will know about the basic idea about the HTML. And in previous tutorial I told you how it would work and how we would save any files of the PHP. Okay, so let us start it. So probably you will know, I am going little bit about the HTML word. So what would it be? Doc type, and we would write HTML. It may be capital letter, small letter, so you have to not worry about it. Okay, so what will you do right again? So these are not the about the PHP, and these are everything about the HTML. So I hope don't you would probably know about it. Body. Okay, so I'm going to little the HTML. When you open the HTML, then you have to close the HTML. Okay, so here body we will close, we would close the body. Okay, so it's these, so that these red things, so that when we are closing the body, here is also red, here is also red, so it's so that we have closed the body. Okay, now we have to close, and now we have to close it about the HTML. Okay, so you can see it very clearly. And now I told you what is the syntax of the PHP. So let us start it a simple word program of the PHP, so that we can run this program very well. So okay, let's start it. I told you we have to use the angular bracket, and you have to use a question mark, so that you can do it. Question mark. So what we have to write to it? We have to write here. After that we have to write PHP. Okay, and I told you about the one thing about the echo word. Okay, and what we try to, you have to try to echo, And one thing I didn't tell you, and we have to use the semicolon at the end. Okay, so I'm going to write a, don't worry about what you run, I'm going to write a hello PHP. Okay, so one thing more I'm going to tell you, we have to use the semicolon at the end of it, so that it in PHP we have to do it. Okay, and we have to close this PHP angular bracket, then this, and so what we have to do, we will write this. Okay, okay, let us save it. I save it. So in previous tutorial I told you how it would be run, so we have to write. So I am going to open my any browser. So localhost, this file is .satyam.php, you can see it very easily, and here you can see I saved it by satyam.php. so let us run this program. So hello PHP, you can see very easily whatever whatever you would write here is hello PHP. Okay, whatever you want to write, you can write anything. Okay, so again you have to save it. So you would go here, and here you should hello PHP welcome. Okay, okay, one thing more I'm going to tell you about the echo word. So I told you the echo word would what would tell us the when we'll combine these strings, then we are using echo for the strings. Let us see what will happen if we remove the echo word. Okay, so let us see. So I'm going to remove the echo word. So I'm going to show you hello PHP welcome would not show, so that's why we are using echo word. Again save it. So again go in browser, and so you can see nothing is showing. Okay, nothing is working. So what we have to do, I have to do localhost slash satyam.php, by which you will save your file. As you have to use this here, I'm localhost slash I am saving my file at satyam.php. If you will save the graph.php, whatever you want to save.php, then you have to write here. So I am again going to write here echo. Okay, echo and save it. So let us again compile it. I hope it will work. Okay, so here you can also see if you open any page. So I'm on localhost PHP, you can see it. Hello PHP welcome. Okay, I hope you probably know about it, the little bit about the PHP, and you are not getting any problem. If you get any problem, if you are getting any problem, then you can comment at the description box, or you may message me at social media. I'll tell you what will it answer. Please, I hope you like it, and please subscribe it.